Hey guys! In today's video, I'm kicking off a brand new challenge called Whop Clipping. We are going to see exactly how many dollars you can earn from Whop Clipping in just 24 hours. Now, for those of you who don't know what Whop Clipping is, let me explain. It's a platform where you edit short clips or reels for big brands and popular creators, and then you just upload them to your own social media accounts. As your reels start getting views, you start making money directly from Whop. For example, let's say you edit a reel for a creator and post it on your Instagram. As soon as you upload it, the views slowly start rolling in. Once you hit around 1,000 views, that creator will pay you anywhere from $1 to $5, depending on the campaign. Make sense? So that's basically how Whop Clipping works. Today I'm going to try this out for a full 24 hours to see just how much money I can make.
To start this challenge, I'm going to need two main things. First, a Whop account, and second, an Instagram account. We are also going to need a special tool that takes a creator's long video and chops it up into short, bite-sized clips. Good news, I've already found one, so let's jump right in and start this challenge. All right, guys, so I only have 24 hours, and to make a ton of money in that time frame, I need to find a really good campaign. That's the only way I'll maximize my dollars, so I spend a lot of time looking through different campaigns. I actually ended up liking quite a few of them, so I decided to work on all of these campaigns because the more you do, the higher your chances are of getting approved. Now, here's a little trick. Once your clips get approved, you can actually boost them with fake views to make a lot of dollars. So I looked at the requirements for 2 or 3 campaigns, created the reels, and uploaded them to my Instagram. After posting them, I just copied the links and submitted them over on Whop. Once all that was done, I shared the reels around a little bit just to get those first few initial views. If you can get a little bit of traction early on, your clips get approved way faster. So I was just waiting for the approvals. Let's catch up after they come through. Hey guys! So, this morning when I woke up and opened my Whop account, the approvals were already in, and on 5 different videos. I had submitted 5 videos for this campaign, and all 5 got approved super easily. For this specific campaign, I'm getting paid $2 for every 1,000 views, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some fake views to my reels right now so I can generate a really solid income. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
3 hours later.
And I'm back, guys. Let me hop into my chat and show you the actual proof of the dollars I've received. You can see the amount I got paid based on my views, and you can clearly check the time and date right here too. So, this person paid me directly based on how many views my reels got. Because they are the admin of the campaign, they approved my clips, and boom! I started receiving dollars based on my reel views.
Alright, let me add all of these up. $12, 14, 8, 18, 11, 7, 14, 29, 16, 9, 14, and 7. That comes out to a total of $159. So guys, we made a total of $159 in our 24-hour challenge. Well, it's actually $165 if we count all the cents too.
And hey, if you guys want to make dollars the exact same way I do and withdraw them straight to your bank account, you can drop me a DM. I've left the links to my Instagram and WhatsApp right down in the description below. You can message me directly, and I will personally teach you exactly how this works and how to start making those dollars. Now, I will be charging a small fee for this. Why? Because if I give away my secret method for making money totally for free, it loses its value. But trust me, if you put in the work and do exactly what I teach you, you'll be generating a really solid amount of money in just a few days. I've personally made over $15,000 in a single month using this exact method. I'll be showing the proof of that in my next video, or you can go check out the posts on my channel right now to see it for yourself. That's it for today, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.